A personal solar panel lets you enjoy the freedom of the great outdoors without worrying about your camping gear or your devices running out of juice. When setting up a portable solar power panel, angle it toward the sun to absorb its energy. Connect a battery to hold the stored energy, or for quick charging. Connect your device directly to the solar panel. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best small solar panels available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Number 1. Renogy 200-watt Monocrystalline Foldable Solar. The 200-watt Renogy portable solar panel can provide the high amount of energy necessary to operate an RV or boat's accessories and charging ports. It also has a built-in charge controller with a bold LCD display for reviewing operating information. The charge controller automatically stops the flow of energy from the solar panel to the battery when the battery has reached its storage capacity, which prevents overcharging and reduces the risk of fire. This monocrystalline portable solar panel has a foldable design and a handle to carry it like a briefcase, with an adjustable, corrosion-resistant aluminum stand that folds out from the back of the solar panel. It can be set to different angles to best absorb the sun's rays. Pros: built-in folding stand, digital charge controller, high monocrystalline efficiency, overcharging protection. Cons: heavy panel isn't suitable for hiking or climbing. Number 2. DOKIO 110-watt-18 Portable Foldable Solar Panel Kit. This DOKIO monocrystalline portable solar power system can be connected via the 5 included DC adapters or the charge controller. The controller moderates the flow of energy into 12-volt batteries, such as those in cars or RV, to prevent overcharging and reduce the risk of fire. It also includes 2 USB ports to charge USB devices. Weighing just 6 pounds, the DOKIO can be folded in half for easy carrying with its 2 built-in carrying handles. It has a 110-watt power output, and it features a waterproof fabric backing. Pros: lightweight design for low-effort portability, digital charge controller, built-in carrying handle, waterproof fabric backing. Cons: vulnerable to blowing away in moderate wind. Number 3. Goal Zero Boulder 200 Solar Panel Briefcase. The Goal Zero Boulder portable solar panel, with a power output of 200 watts, comes in a convenient fold-up design to fit in a briefcase. However, it weighs about 46 pounds, so the Goal Zero Boulder solar panel may not be the best option for hiking. Instead, this portable solar panel can charge portable batteries and power stations for an entire RV or a boat. It's built with monocrystalline silicon wafers pressed between strong tempered glass, and its water-resistant aluminum frame includes a built-in adjustable kickstand to angle it toward the sun. Pros: built-in folding stand and handles, water-resistant frame, high monocrystalline efficiency. Cons: heavy panel isn't suitable for hiking or climbing. Number 4. Newpowa 100 watts Polycrystalline Solar Panel. This 100-watt portable polycrystalline solar panel by Newpowa comes equipped with a rugged heavy-duty frame that is made to withstand powerful wind and heavy snow. It has pre-drilled holes for easy mounting, making it ideal for the top of an RV, a camper, or even a boat. The polycrystalline panel weighs just 15.5 pounds, so users won't struggle to carry or set up this portable solar panel. The polycrystalline portable solar panel has an IP rating of I65, meaning that it's resistant to both water and dust, though the solar panel should not be fully submerged. Additionally, it doesn't have a kickstand or any other way to set it up for freestanding use, so you will need to mount the panel before it can be effectively used. Pros: water and dust-resistant rating of I65, corrosion-resistant aluminum frame, heavy-duty design resists wind and snow. Cons: does not come with a kickstand for freestanding use. Number 5. Jackery SolarSaga 60W Solar Panel for Explorer. This thin-film Jackery portable solar panel has durable laminated paneling and comes with a power cable to charge portable batteries and power stations. It also has an extension cord with an adapter that includes a USB-C port and a USB-A port to charge 2 small devices at the same time. The cords are in a small carrying bag on the back of the solar panel. This portable solar panel has a foldable design with built-in rubber handles. It's light enough for long hikes, and it can be set up on any surface with the built-in adjustable kickstand. Pros: I65 water and dust resistant, foldable, lightweight design for easy portability, adjustable kickstand for optimal positioning. Cons: low power capacity, Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.